How to change inverted camera on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change inverted camera on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to change inverted camera on iPhone, meaning that whenever you open the My Camera application, you switch to the front camera. Here you can see my hand is on the left side, and on the picture also it is on the left side. So if I take a picture here, instead of being in the left side, it just shows up in the right side or maybe in the left side. So maybe your problem is that it still shows up on the left side instead of showing on the right side, because this is mirroring it. Now in my case I have already enabled this setting so that it can mirror to the other side. To enable this sort of setting, you have to open up your settings application, and then you simply want to go ahead and search for camera. After you search for camera, here you'll find the option called mirror front camera. If you turn this thing on, then what happens is that no matter whichever side you take, it will just leave it at that side. But if you want to adjust it, you want to make sure to disable this option. This way you can change the inverted camera on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.